Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you'll stick around, hit that red subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell to be notified of upcoming videos. So today we are doing an unboxing, and I have not seen anybody do this yet. Maybe one person for this month. So I'm excited to get my box. It's a Sunday and it came in the mail today. So I'm like, okay, let's film, let's get it up. I already got a video up today, but now I'm gonna have to. Let's go ahead and reveal what I'm talking about. So it is the Ipsy Plus. This is a $25 a month subscription, and lately it's been okay. Not the best, but not the worst. They used to be like fantastic, unbeatable, ridiculous. Now it's just, it's okay. You get your value's worth. I did re-up my Ultimate this month, so you will see that. It'll probably only be for this month, and then I'll cancel it again, and probably for 4 or 5 months, because it seems like that you'll get all the good stuff from what I understand. Like if you subscribe to it once every, like a seasonal box basically. So we'll see how that goes, but that's not here yet. So we just have the Plus. I came prepared and brought my iPad so that I can look up what the products are, because they have not been in the box. It hasn't had a little sheet of paper to tell you what's in here. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. I have not seen any spoilers on this at all, so let's see. All right, so when you open it up, it says discover yourself, and we have a yellow package today, and that is what I'm seeing. So let's, it looks, oh, I have my add-ons in here. I was gonna say it looks awful full, but I definitely have add-ons in here. So all right, so here is a card. July 2020, take a break, airplane mode your phone, put up a mental do not disturb. It's time to re-energize, whether it's a living room, a dance party, or a bold lipstick. Take a break from the ordinary, let loose, and go with the flow. Where will it take you? Hashtag Ipsy, take a break. So there is that. We do not have products on the inside, just your ultimate beauty staycation, and no samples here. We secure epic brands to pack $120 plus. So this is supposed to be $120 plus value. So I did see something about the 20th for Ipsy. I thought it was on here, but I'm not gonna look for it right now. But something about the 20th for choice. I could be wrong, but double check that. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. So the first thing that I see that's on my, I'm gonna go like in the order of what's on my iPad, is this bag. I like the little airplane, even though we're not going anywhere. I like that it's purple. I don't really like that. I don't really use much of their bags, but some of them are good. I love the color contrast with the green and purple, but I could leave that. All right, so we have Billion Dollar Brows, a brand that is very used to being in a lot of subscription boxes, actually, because we've gotten this in our BoxyCharmed as well. And this is 60 seconds to beautiful brows. So let's see what it says. I'm gonna try to make it so that I'm not like looking down. All right, 60 seconds to beautiful brows kit in taupe. It says why you love it. Go to light to dark, got light to dark brown brows. Give them a quickie makeover with this easy to use brow kit. The taupe matte powder allows you to play with your brow shape and add depth and dimension to thin sparse brow hairs. Apply it like a pro with a dual-ended angle brush. It has a soft synthetic bristle that allows you to build powder into your brow line, plus a spoolie to diffuse the color for a natural look. This is full size and it is valued at $24. I have been wanting to do some pomades, so I guess I'm not too mad at it. And so the taupe color does work for me, but I feel like I have this already. So here is the color, and then here's the back. I'm not gonna swatch it just for the fact that I think I have this, because I have this little brush that they gave you, like literally, I think it's like, yeah, see, it's right here. Same brush. So I might have this. I don't know. We'll have to look. Oh, I'm gonna drop it on the floor and it's not gonna be worth anything to be giving away. So I'm gonna put that aside for now. But okay, I mean, I think it's overpriced for sure. That's the price of like an Anastasia brow pomade. I definitely wouldn't pay no $24 for that. Okay, so what's next on the little list here on my iPad is from Illamasqua. This is heavy. This is the packaging, and it is Color Boss Multi-Dimensional Eye Color in Alter Ego. So let me take it out of the packaging, maybe. How do you open this? Oh, it's sealed. So I'm not going to open this right this second because I don't really use singles. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this. But it does say, get ready for some makeup magic. This hybrid shadow glides on like a cream, blends like a liquid, and finishes like a powder. So I mean, that's kind of cool. Multi-dimensional and totally eye-catching, this metallic purple shade was practically made for all your big nights out. The buttery smooth pigments last for hours without creasing or fading and can be applied wet or dry depending on the level of color payoff you want. Don't let this baby hide in the bottom of your makeup bag. It's housed in sleek chrome packaging that feels luxe and looks display worthy, valued at $29. Okay, we're gonna swatch it. We're gonna do it because it's purple and it would probably go good with the that Naked palette that just came out, the purple one, if I don't cut myself trying to get into it. Okay, so that's kind of cool how it opens too. It is very sleek. It reminds me of the Urban Decay, their little line that has all that like chrome packaging. What's it called? It's not the Stay Naked line. I forget. I'll sit here all day trying to think of it. It is very pretty. Very, very pretty. So let's see. It is soft. Okay, I'm kind of glad I did that. There's the swatch. And let's see. Okay, yeah. I'm glad I did that because that is very pretty. That's very pretty. So there, oh, there you go. There's the swatch for you. Okay, so next on our list is Nature's Cartel. Where are you? Right here. I believe we've gotten this before in a Ipsy. I think it was a like bullet lipstick that we got. Pretty sure. So, VCR Static Lip Gloss. Says we're calling it glossy lips are the beauty trend you'll want to wear 24/7 this summer. Non-tacky and non-goopy, this lightweight gloss feels impeccable. Impeccable. That makes no sense. No sense. Non-tacky and non-goopy, this lightweight gloss feels impeccable. I don't know if I'm saying that right. I probably am not. The soft shimmer finish is totally stunning. Wear it alone for a juicy lip look or layer it over your favorite lipstick to make color pop. Valued at $12. So I'm glad they didn't value this higher because I would have been a little upset if they would have said this was more expensive. Does say VCR Static up there. And then let's see. Okay, it's pretty. It's a clear gloss. I definitely love some clear glosses. I have enough of them now. Do I want to? No, I'm going to save this. I'm not going to open it. I'm going to save it for a giveaway because we are getting close to our 1,000 giveaway and I want it to be amazing. So I'm trying to save as many things that I'm not using as possible. So we're going to put that aside for a future giveaway, and we're going to move on to the next item in this bag, and it is very exciting. It is from Tula. So this is Protect and Glow Daily Sunscreen. Okay, I'm excited about this one. Very, very excited about this one. Protect and Glow Daily Sunscreen SPF 30 Gel. Daily sunscreen is the most important step in your skincare routine, especially in the summer, which is why you won't catch us without a glow boosting SPF 30. I love Tula too. The days of sunscreen that feel thick and chalky, they're over. This gel is totally weightless and leaves skin with a supple sheen. It helps protect you from more than just damaging UV rays. Wild butterfly. What? It helps protect you from more than just damaging UV rays. Wild butterfly ginger root shields skin from harmful effects of blue light. Okay. Skincare meets skincare. Sun care meets skincare in this multitasking formula. It's infused with probiotics and pineapple and papaya extracts to hydrate and brighten your skin with continued use, valued at $36. So I'm not mad at this at all. This makes the box for me. Like, completely makes the box for me. So this is what it looks like when it's out of its packaging. And I have a feeling this is going to be nice and glowy like it says. So I don't know that I will get a whole bunch of use out of this, but I definitely am trying to use more sunscreen in my routine. I'm trying to find the perfect one to sit underneath of makeup. So I just got it on my nose. That's one way to smell it. It doesn't have too much of a smell, actually. Let's see if it makes my hand glow. Oh yeah, it definitely did. For sure. But again, it doesn't really doesn't smell like copper tone. It's nice. It does have an expiration date on it, which is nice too. So 2/21 is the expiration. And like I said, I love Tula. I'm so happy to see this in the box. So right there, I'm happy with that. And this actually is really pretty too. And the brow thing, I do want to try that. All right, so moving on to our next product is what I picked, and it is the Tarte Sea Surfer Curl volumizing mascara. There is the packaging, and it says, stop struggling with your lash curler and grab this mascara instead. A few swipes open up your lashes for a wide-eyed look. No running, flaking, or smearing. This mascara makes even the teeniest lashes look thick and voluminous for hours. The Good For You formula is infused with vitamin E and marine algae to condition your lash hairs with every coat. With this mascara, everyone wins. The clean vegan formula is good for you and our furry friends too. Valued at $23, and it is in black. I'm not going to open it. I'm just going to show you what the tube looks like, because I have so many open right now that I need to go through. Doesn't have... Wow, okay. So a lot of people get upset about this. I don't get upset about this because I know that they buy them in bulk, but I know somebody's going to say something about this. It says sample, not for sale when you open up the bottom. This is not a sample size. It's on there because they bought it in bulk. So just putting that out there. But this is what the packaging looks like. I love the colors. It's very pretty. The wand doesn't have a picture of it. It does on here though. Let's see. Can you see what the wand? It looks like it's going to be like a fluffy wand. So I don't know if you can really tell. Kind of like the Better Than Sex wand, it looks like to me, but a little bit smaller. Again, I'm not mad at that. I'm really happy with this. Very happy with that, actually. Is that it for our backs, other than my add-ons? No, yep, that's it for that. All right, so I'll show you what I added on real quick, just so you guys can see what my add-ons were, and then we'll recap the box real quick. So I love this. If you guys have not tried this and you can wear a taupey universal shade, I love this product. I have like 4 or 5 of these in backup because they're so good. So if I'm not using my Anastasia, I'm using this. It's one of the two, for sure. I got this Hey Honey for a friend because she loves it. So there's that. I picked up the Pure Lease Illuminating BB Cream because I did not get this in the Boxy last month, because I think they were giving this away in Boxy. So I picked that up. And, ooh, the Watermelon Burst Hydrating Lip Oil. I am into lip oils. I remember wanting this and seeing this. So I am excited to try that like ASAP. I don't want that to drop. We have a Luxie brush, which I love getting Luxie in these boxes. It's one like amazing thing. Oh, this one has like a dent in it too. I should order another one because you can still do add-ons today. Yeah, I think I might get one more. So this is the Luxie 205 pack and shade, and that's perfect for me because it's what I do. I will pack on the the color and then blend it out. So I'm very excited for that, and I may just go in and get another one. And we have a Pixie lipstick or gloss. I think it's a matte liquid lipstick in Sheer Rose. I think it's a matte liquid lipstick. And then we have a sheet mask set. So those are my add-ons. That's not really what we're here for. But let's go ahead and recap our box. So we have this, I don't know, little bag. Probably end up getting donated. We have the clear lip gloss, which is really pretty. And if I didn't have 20 of them sitting in front of me over there, I probably would have used this. So I am putting this away for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So don't forget to subscribe, you guys. We have this cute little thing right here, which I wasn't going to open, but it is really pretty, and I'm glad I did. We have Tula, which is amazing to get in any box. So I'm super happy for that, and that it's sunscreen. Like, super happy. We have the Tarte mascara, which is my pick. And then we have the brow product. So I'm not mad at it. For $25, this made it for me 100%. The mascara is amazing. The lip gloss is pretty. And I mean, I'm kind of happy with this. And if I don't have that brow product, I'm happy to have it. So I'm not mad at it. What do you guys think? Leave me some comments down below what you got in your Ipsy, if you got it yet. If not, you know, when you get it, leave me some comments. But you guys, I really enjoyed it. I think it was a good box. I'm excited to see what's going to be in the ultimate, because like I said, I canceled that a while ago. And I think I'm going to go order one more of these brushes before the add-ons is, I think today's the last day for it. So, because this is really nice, and it was $3. So yeah, I'm definitely doing that. But anyway, thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment. It helps so much. And I will also leave a link down below if you do not have Ipsy to get that for yourself if you want it. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for being here. Have a fantastic day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.